Paul Carl here. This video is following up on my website review number 8 for Twin River Drywall. Um, I did this review for Nathan, I think, on Reddit, and he took some of my advice and redid his site, and so this is what it looks like now. Um, it's definitely a big improvement because we have a call to action right off the bat. He took some of the advice right here on using a competitive advantage. I might pair that with an offer, though, some kind of guarantee. We got some more of his before and after photos, which are really nice. Or I shouldn't say before and after, but like some of the work, different types of tile. So it's pretty cool. But I thought, instead of nitpicking everything over and over again here, let's just hook up Nathan. We'll do a little work here. So I got this theme from Pixelarity. It's called Big Picture. It's another flat file theme because I think Nathan's site here is also flat file. So we'll keep the speed. It's got room for these big pictures with some little blurbs that you can have scrolling out. Then a little portfolio here, which is kind of perfect for like this is kind of visual business. And then we got the contact form right on the bottom. So it's a nice little one-page template. And I'm just gonna fill it out right now. We'll use his content from his site, and we'll make a nice little one-pager and shoot that over. So first things first, I got my my WinSCP. Let's go ahead and extract this. So I use Server Pilot and DigitalOcean, which is a pretty good combination for my web hosting. So I'm just going to upload all this stuff. I think this will be the URL. Alright, let's see if this... Alright, there we go. So we got the theme, the basic theme files uploaded to start. So first things first, open up the index here. I use Visual Studio Code. That's my code editor of choice. Alright, so we're going to have intro. Let's see, we got about, contact. I'll just put the services up here. We'll focus on a couple. Interior and drywall finishing. We might actually be able to make a section for each of these and just kind of alternate them. That would be interesting. Alright, first things first, let's go up here. We're going to change big picture to Twin River Drywall. Helps if you don't hit your mouse pad or trackpad. We'll get rid of the credits because I'm an asshole, I guess. We'll make this title. We'll do just describe what he's doing. We'll put that competitive advantage here. So I just said your project will be done on time every time. We guarantee your money back. Um, just to add a little something, I'm going to say call now for your free quote. Call now to schedule your free quote estimate. I don't know what Canadians say. So we got that. There's some buttons that we can use too. So let's do. Their elements, I believe, are kind of always the same throughout all the themes. So I'm just gonna click on this one. I forget the syntax for it. Oh, come on, what's going on? Oh, but we want a centered button. So let me try to find a different theme real quick. Just to steal that syntax. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to call them. Let's see what their number is. Cancel. So they do have the number in there. The number links, that's awesome. So just, oops, nope. Copy link location. Drop that right there. Boom. So let's see if that button actually worked. If it actually, cool. It's not the prettiest color, but it'll work. So let's get some of these images. Where's that background image coming from? Oh, here we go. Alright, so we got the image. I'm gonna throw it in the images folder. Looks like I'm gonna have to open up the CSS for this one. It's in assets. Main.css. So I'm at, it's probably titled hero or something. Nope. Let's see. Sections intro. Alright. So there's, we got the overlay. Images. The overlay we'll keep for now. So what is this? What's the intro.jpg? So what we'll do, I guess I'll just be lazy and upload it as intro. Oh nope, it's a PNG. Alright, never mind. So just change intro.jpg to hero-bg.png. Go ahead and save that. Oops. Still getting used to this new computer. Alright, there we go. The overlay's like, it's actually a little too light. We'll have to play with that, fix that color. Alright, so the first section, we'll do, we'll say insulation, drywall, and taping. That's what we'll call this. We'll just take that blurb, drop it in right there, boom. So this is section 1. I'm going to copy this, put that in the navigation bar here, boom. I keep forgetting, like, so this laptop, instead of just hitting F5, I have to hit the FN button to make it like my so that my F keys work instead of the whatever Dell hotkeys they are. So let's see. For the background here, I think I'll go with, did we use this one? No, this one's different. I like this picture because it's got people in it, everyone's smiling and happy. So we'll save this as, actually, no, I don't want to save the link. I want the image. Am I stupid? Or does Firefox kind of suck? Alright, let's copy the URL. You can't just right click and open it in a new tab like in Chrome. It's kind of breaking my heart. Oh, it's a tiny image. No. Let's just do that. There we go. Call this insulation BG. Alright. So then back to the CSS, instead of 1 being the background, we're going to call it, oh, it is a JPEG. Insulation-BG. That's kind of cool. What I'm going to do is put this little call to action in everyone. So instead of call now here, let's use the same button. I'm going to call it book quote. Book my free quote. And this will go link to the contact ID. Alright. So next we're going to have the painting and ceilings. Let's see which image looks nice for that. I like this one. We'll do this one. So we'll go ahead and upload the painting.bg, change the CSS. I mean, so like if anyone's watching this is trying to learn how to use like Pixelarity themes, and even though it's flat file, it's not really difficult. It's a little tedious, but painting.bg. It's a little tedious, but it doesn't. You don't really need to know anything. Like if you can move files around and like vaguely understand like that this is a file path to an image and it's a background, like it's kind of all you really need to know. So let's see, we're gonna change this interior painting and ceilings. That ampersand followed by AMP semicolon is just the HTML code to create an ampersand. So I'll just type that out. Call it work gallery. I'm going to call this book free quote. That'll be the contact form part. And let's see, we'll just copy and paste something from here. Maybe I'll just take this chunk here. It would be nice to maybe have something about like the pricing or some more details about the service or whatever, but just for the lack of that, yeah, I think I'll just take this piece. Delete that from there. I'll just put this in here. And we're going to take the book my free quote piece again. Alright, let's take a look, see how it's coming along. So we got a little typo. Taping. Alright, no typo there. Call this the work gallery. The work gallery, I think, would be a good place to put this. Let's see what their contact. It's just contact. I'm going to say you will hear back as close to instantly as possible, or within 24 hours at the latest. Alright, so we got all that. We just got to put in the work gallery things now and do a few little final touches here. Once we change these colors, like I think from here, I would want to see this be like blue or something, or maybe like a brighter green. Up here, this is kind of cool. I maybe make this like an orange or a brighter green. Here, orange for sure with the blue background. we just drop all the images that we didn't use that are kind of left over here, we'll drop in. Oh, we could put the hours in here too. This is an image. Let's take a look, see how that looks. That's not bad. We got the little copyright down there. I should make this index.php and then I can use the year. What's it called again? Twin River Drywall. Do that. Boom. Yeah, so like that's it. I mean, we pretty much got the site redone in like under 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and send this over to Nathan, see what he thinks, and I hope this was useful for people to see kind of how you can manipulate these Pixelarity templates. If it is, and if Nathan likes where this went, I'll finish it up and I'll record that too, so we can see like kind of like part 2 of how this looks. And then we'll do some like speed optimizations and maybe think about a little bit of SEO work on it too, or something like that. Could be a cool little fun project on the side. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope this was educational, and I'll see you guys in the next video.